Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which statements about creating schedules reports are correct? The transactions with bank feeds automatically update before schedule reports. You can schedule reports by using the customization buttons within the reports. Once schedules reports are automatically sent emails, all scheduled reports can be attached in Excel files. The correct answer of the question is the two correct statements about creating schedule import and export in QBooks are you can schedule the reports by using the customization buttons within the reports. You can customize and schedule the report by using the customization button within the report itself. Once scheduled reports are automatically sent our emails. Once you have scheduled the report, QBooks will automatically generate and send the reports as the email to specified in the schedule times. The other two statements are not accurate. Transaction is the bank feeds automatically update before scheduled reports. Bank feed transactions are the scheduled reports are spread which bank feed transactions are not directly related to this generations of the scheduled reports. All scheduled reports can be attached to an Excel file. Scheduled reports can be emailed. They are typically sent in PDF formats. The ability to attach the Excel might depend on the specific options available in your version of QBooks. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.